All the Ganesh devotees, this day is very popular or very special because the fourth day of every Krishna Paksha is a Sankashti Chaturthi. It is popular by the name Sankashti Chaturthi. And if this Chaturthi falls on Tuesday, it is known as Angaraka Chaturthi.
My mission is to make you fall in love with this language of gods, Sanskrit Bhasha, thereby sharing the ancient wisdom, beauty and joy of Sanskrit language. Amritavani Sanskrit Bhasha Naiva Chaklishta Nacha Kathina.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Welcome to Amrit Bhasha by me, Shraddha. Namo Namaha. So today's live is about today's speciality. And what is it? As per Hindu calendar, every month starts with Amavasya, that is the new moon day. Once the month starts, Shukla Paksha, light phase of the month starts. The Shukla Paksha is of 15 days. So in these 15 days, the crescent of moon becomes full moon. So at the end of 15th day, it is marked by Purnima or the full moon day, and the Shukla Paksha ends. Now on the Purnima or full moon day is the beginning of Krishna Paksha. Krishna Paksha is the dark lunar phase. This marks the fading of moon, or we can say the full moon is goes on decreasing in size, and on the 15th day it is Amavasya, on new moon day. So each month is divided in a Shukla Paksha and a Krishna Paksha. Okay, so the 15 days of each Paksha marks 15 Tithi. So the fourth day marks Chaturthi Tithi. So Chaturthi, what is speciality? Why I am talking about it today? Because current Paksha that we see is the Paush Krishna Paksha, Paush month's Krishna Paksha, and today is the fourth day, that is Chaturthi. Among all the Ganesh devotees, this day is very popular or very special because the fourth day of every Krishna Paksha is a Sankashti Chaturthi. It is popular by the name Sankashti Chaturthi. And if this Chaturthi falls on Tuesday, it is known as Angaraka Chaturthi. But there are many stories which are very famous around Sankashti and Angaraka Sankashti. But today I am not going in detail about these stories. What I am doing is what to do today. Okay, so what does Ganesh devotees do on Sankashti? They observe a fast. What do they do after observing the fast? At the end of the day, after moonrise and after praying to Lord Ganesha, they break the fast. So while worshipping God Ganesha, they offer red flowers, they offer modaka as the offering or nevedya, and they recite few shlokas for praising Lord Ganesha. So one of the famous hymn for Lord Ganesha is the Ganapati Stotra from Narada Purana. Okay, so this is very famous, but what I thought is I can present it today with its English meaning here, so that when you pray to Lord Ganesha at the end of day, you can make use of this stotra. Okay, so let's begin now. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Narada Uvacha. Sage Narada said, Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauri Putram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smaret Nityam Ayuh Kamartha Siddhaye. Pranamya Shirasa. one should salute or bow in front of Lord Ganesha with head, by bowing to the head. How is Lord Ganesha? Whom we are bowing? In front of Gauri Putram Vinayakam. Vinayaka is another name of Lord Ganesha. Gauri Putram, Gauri, goddess Parvati, and Sri Ganesha is the son of goddess Parvati. So, one should start by saluting or bowing by head in front of Vinayaka, son of goddess Parvati. Okay. Bhaktavasam smaret nityam. Bhaktavasam, the god which resides in the heart of all the devotees. Bhaktavasam smaret nityam, he should be remembered nityam, always. For ayuhu kamartha siddhaye. Ayuhu, long life. Kama, desires, so accomplishment of desires. And artha, that is wealth. Ayuhu kama artha, for accomplishing or for fulfilling the desires related to long life, desires and wealth, for gaining wealth. So, in short, for fulfillment of all the desires, we should always remember Smaret Nityam, this Lord who is residing in the heart of all the devotees. So, let's pray to this God by reciting his 12 names as per this stotra. Prathamam Vakratundam cha. The first name of the Lord is Vakratundam. Tundam, face, Vakra, crooked. So, the literal meaning is not crooked face. It is the, we can say, it is having curved trunk. So, Lord Ganesha's face has the trunk of elephant. So, this trunk is on one side always. So, it is curved trunk. Ekadantam Dvitiyakam. The second name is Ekadanta. That is the one with, the Lord with one tusk, or we can say one tooth. So, there is a very famous story about, how Sri Ganesha is left with only one tusk. Okay. So, second name is Ekadanta. Trutiyam Krishna Pingaksham. The third name is Krishna Pingaksha. Krishna means black, Pinga is reddish, and Aksha means eyes. So, the one who has reddish brown eyes, we can say reddish brown eyes. Gajavaktram Chaturthakam. And the fourth one is Gajavaktram. Vaktra means mukha or mouth, face. Gaja, elephant. So, the elephant faced God. Now, next is Lambodaram Panchamancha Shashtham Vikatamevacha Saptamam Vignarajendram Dhumravarnam Tathashtamam. So, Panchamam Lambodaram. Fifth one is Lambodara. Udara means belly and Lamba means huge. So, the Lord having a huge belly. So, it is said that all the sins of his devotees are Lord Ganesha is keeping all the sins of his devotees in his stomach. So, that is why his belly is big. Okay. So, Lambodara, the one with huge belly. Shashtham Vikatameva. Sixth name is Vikata, having huge body. Vignarajendram Saptamam. The seventh one is Vignarajendram. Vigna, obstacles or troubles, and Rajendra means the one who wins it. Okay. So, the Lord who wins all the troubles, all the obstacles. Okay. Dhumravarnam Tathashtamam. Tatha, similarly, Ashtamam, eighth one is Dhumravarna. Varna means the skin color or the color. Dhumra meaning smoky. So, who is smoky skinned. Okay. So, I hope you all are with me till this point. नवमं भालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननं. The ninth one is Bhalachandram. Navamam Bhalachandram. Ninth one is Bhalachandram. Bhala means the forehead and Chandra means moon. The one who bears or who sports moon on his forehead. Dashamam tu Vinayakam. The 10th one is Vinayaka, who is the Nayaka, remover of all the troubles. Ekadasham Ganapatim. The 11th one is Ganapati. Gana meaning attendants or followers. Followers, leader. Pati is the leader or the one who inspire them, the one who make them follow him. So Ganapati, the leader of all his followers. Dwadasham tu Gajananam. Dwadasha, 12th one is Gajanana. Gajasya iva ananam yasya saha. The one who has anana, face of elephant. So this completes Dwadasha or 12 names of Lord Ganesha. What is more being said about this stotra then? The remaining part goes as follows. द्वादशैतानि नामानि त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठेन् नरः न च विघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकर प्रभो. एतानि द्वादश नामानि यः नरः त्रिसन्ध्यं पठेत्. These 12 names, the one who recites or says these 12 names, Trisandhya meaning the 3 times of 3 junctions of a day. As we all know, there are 3 junctions like dawn, noon and evening. Okay, so all these three sandhya, the one who recites all these 12 names, nacha vigna bhayam tasya, there is no fear of troubles to him. Sarva siddhikara prabho, and Prabho, Lord, becomes Sarva siddhikara. He makes his life trouble free, and Sarva siddhi, he get all the accomplishments, or we can say he accomplishes all his desires. Okay, so the next shlok goes as Vidyarthi labhate vidyam, dhanarthi labhate dhanam, putrarthi labhate putran, moksharthi labhate gatim. So Vidyarthi, the one who is seeker or who wants to obtain knowledge, Vidya, he receives knowledge, he obtains knowledge. Dhanarthi labhate dhanam, the seeker of wealth seeks wealth or obtains wealth. Putrarthi labhate putran, those people who are desirous of giving birth to son, putra, they fulfill their desire of having a son or more. Moksharthi labhate gatim, moksha or liberation, mukti, those who seek mukti, liberation, they attain liberation by reciting this stotra. The next shlok goes as Japet Ganapati Stotram Shadbhihi Masai Phalam Labhet Samvastarena Siddhim Cha Labhate Natra Samshayah. The one who Japet recites Ganapati Stotram Shadbhihi Masai Phalam Labhet, he Phalam Labhet, he receives the fruit of it in 6 months, or he starts bearing the fruit of his worship in 6 months time. Samvastarena siddhim cha labhate, and samvastara, in the time of 1 year, siddhim labhate, he attains the desired result or he fulfills all his desires. Natra samshayah, there is no doubt about it. Okay. Ashtabhyo brahmanebhyasya likhitva yah samarpayet tasya vidya bhavet sarvan ganeshasya prasadatah. The one who samarpayet offers this stotra likhitva ashtabhyo brahmanebhyah. Anybody offers this to 8 Brahmins in the form of writing. So this is also a way of worshipping Lord Ganesha. So the one who gives this stotra to 8 Brahmin in writing, tasya vidya bhavet sarva. All the knowledge comes to him by Ganeshasya prasadatah, by grace of Lord Ganesha. Okay. इति श्री नारद पुराणे संकटनाशनम नाम श्री गणपति स्तोत्रम संपूर्णम. Thus the hymn of Lord Ganapati, Ganapati Stotram, which is taken from Narada Purana, is complete. Okay, I hope you all have followed me for all the for meaning of all the 12 names. So what I will do is I will once again recite this stotra. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Narada Uvacha. Pranamya Shirsa Devam Gauriputram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smared Nityam Ayuh Kamartha Siddhaye. Prathamam Vakratundam Cha Ekadantam Dvitiyakam Trutiyam Krishna Pingaksham Gajavaktram Chaturthakam Lambodaram Panchamancha Shashtham Vikatamevacha Saptamam Vighnarajendram Dhumravarnam Tathashtamam Navamam Bhalachandram Cha Dashamam Tu Vinayakam Ekadasham Ganapatim Dwadasham Tu Gajananam Dwadashaitani Namani Trisandhyam Yah Pathe Narah न च विघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकर प्रभो. विद्यार्थी लभते विद्यां धनार्थी लभते धनं पुत्रार्थी लभते पुत्रान् मोक्षार्थी लभते गतिं. जपेत् श्री गणपति स्तोत्रं षड्भिः मासैः फलं लभेत्. संवत्सरेण सिद्धिं च लभते नात्र संशयः. अष्टभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यश्च लिखित्वा यः समर्पयेत् तस्य विद्या भवेत् सर्वान् गणेशस्य प्रसादतः. इति श्री नारद पुराणे संकटनाशनम नाम श्री गणपति स्तोत्रम संपूर्णम. I hope when you will worship Lord Ganpati in the evening today, you will make use of this information that you have got from me. And please stay tuned for more such videos and follow me. Thank you so much all for joining.
Please like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon to get notification of all the future videos from Amrit Bhasha Sanskrit.